Welcome everyone. Today we're diving into an important topic, the 10 most harmful foods for your brain. The brain is our command center, controlling every thought, movement, and sensation. Yet certain foods can wreak havoc on its health and functionality. They're everyday items lurking in your kitchen right now, quietly undermining your cognitive well-being. Intriguing, isn't it? Which of these culinary culprits might you be consuming regularly? Stay tuned to find out which foods you should consider avoiding for optimal brain health. Now, let's unveil the first half of these hazardous edibles. First on our list is sugar. While sugar might make our taste buds sing, too much of it can hit a sour note with our brains. Overconsumption of sugar can lead to impaired memory and learning capabilities. It can also cause inflammation, which, over time, can result in a host of health problems including Alzheimer's disease. Next up we have processed meats. These include favorites like hot dogs, salami, and bacon. While they might be convenient and delicious, these foods are often laced with preservatives and nitrates. Studies have shown that a diet high in processed meats can lead to a decline in mental function and an increased risk of neurological disorders. Moving on, let's talk about trans fats. These are artificially created fats found in many processed foods. They're known to cause inflammation and produce reactive oxygen species. Those are free radicals for those of you who remember your chemistry lessons. This can damage brain cells and has been associated with a higher risk of Alzheimer's and other forms of dementia. Our fourth culprit is aspartame, a common artificial sweetener. While it may seem like a good alternative to sugar, aspartame can cross the blood-brain barrier and disrupt the balance of neurotransmitters. Some studies suggest it may contribute to headaches, mood disorders, and even depression. Last for this segment, but certainly not least, is alcohol. In moderation, it can be part of a healthy lifestyle. However, chronic and heavy drinking can lead to serious brain damage. Alcohol can shrink brain tissue, disrupt neurotransmitters, and lead to problems with coordination, mood, and cognitive function. These foods might be common in our diets, but as we've seen, they can have serious implications on our brain health. Moving on, here are the rest of the foods that could be wreaking havoc on your brain. First up, we have fried foods. From French fries to fried chicken, these crispy delights are hard to resist. However, research suggests that a diet high in fried foods can have a detrimental impact on brain health. The high heat used in frying food creates trans fats, which can lead to inflammation in the brain, impairing memory and cognitive function. Next, we have refined carbs. Think white bread, pasta, and pastries. These foods have been stripped of their nutritional value and can cause a rapid spike in blood sugar levels. Studies have linked high intake of refined carbs to cognitive decline, dementia, and reduced brain function. Cheese lovers, brace yourselves. While cheese is a great source of protein and calcium, it's also high in saturated fats. Too much of these fats can increase the risk of Alzheimer's disease and other cognitive disorders. Fast food is another culprit. Not only does it contribute to weight gain and heart disease, but research also indicates that it can negatively affect the brain. A study found that individuals who consume fast food regularly have lower test scores in math and reading, suggesting a negative impact on cognitive abilities. Lastly, we have tuna. While fish is generally good for brain health, tuna, especially the canned variety, can contain high levels of mercury. Over time, excessive consumption of mercury can lead to brain damage and cognitive decline. So, there you have it. 5 everyday foods that could be quietly undermining your brain health. From fried foods and refined carbs through cheese and fast food all the way to tuna, these foods can have a significant impact on your cognitive abilities. Astonishing, isn't it? How the foods we consume daily could be damaging our brain. It's clear that what we eat has a profound impact on our brain health. From the sugar-loaded treats to the trans fat-filled fast foods, these dietary villains can wreak havoc on our gray matter. A balanced and healthy diet, rich in fruits, veggies, lean proteins, and whole grains can help maintain our brain health. The power to protect your brain is on your plate. Now that you know, which of these harmful eating habits do you plan to change first? Share with us in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.